Welcome, in front of me is an Alcatel 3T10 and today I will show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. To get started, hold your power key. When you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will bring up a window, reboot to safe mode, with a message, reboot to safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK. There we go. And wait for the device to turn off, and then it's going to turn back on and boot us into safe mode. Now, safe mode is used to troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problems that are primarily software-based, then hopefully you can boot it into safe mode and resolve that problem from there. And the reason I'm saying this is because the message, as I read before, states that all third-party applications are disabled in this mode. And what that means is any app that you have installed yourself from whatever place, Play Store or non-Play Store locations, all these apps will be turned off right now and cannot be used at all, either by the device itself or by you. Now once the device boots up, you will see what I mean. You can see we have a safe mode marking right here. Now we'll take out a SIM card because I do have one in there. There we go. So let's unlock it and come on. So you can see widgets do not work right here. And on the second page I have a couple applications that also will not work. For some absolutely dumb reason, settings is one of them. Nice, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Let me quickly make sure that this isn't like some third-party settings. Okay, so it is some kind of third-party settings. Okay, I guess that explains it. So, as you can see, we have a bunch of apps that are grayed out. These apps will not work. That also includes some of the Google apps like Duo, I think it's called, or whatever the name for it is. And I guess this is the assistant. So you can see these apps will not work. And even if you try to open them up, it says downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So there we go. So hopefully now you could solve your problem that you were having. Once you're done utilizing safe mode, you can hold the power key and select restart. The device will reboot, and then when it's booting back up, it goes back to normal mode. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.